Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook Messenger theme and colors to personalize your conversations. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the conversation where you want to change the theme and colors. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or any group conversation you're part of. Once you have the conversation open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see an information icon. Go ahead and click on it to access the conversation settings. After clicking the information icon, you'll see the profile name of the person or group you're chatting with displayed at the top. Look just below this profile name and you'll find an option called Customize. This is where all the personalization options for your conversation are located, so click on it to continue. Once you're in the Customize section, make sure you're on the Themes tab at the top of the screen. This tab is specifically designed for changing the overall look and feel of your conversation, giving you a variety of pre-designed themes to choose from. You'll see several theme options displayed on your screen, each with its own unique style and color scheme. Now browse through the available themes and simply click on any theme that catches your eye. Each theme transforms the entire appearance of your conversation, including message bubbles and background elements. Once you've selected a theme you like, click the Select button to apply it. This will immediately change the visual style of your conversation. Go back to your conversation now, and you'll notice that the theme has been successfully applied. Your messages and the overall chat interface will now reflect the new theme you just selected, giving your conversation a fresh new look. Next, click the information icon again in the top right corner of your conversation screen, then click Customize once more. This time, scroll down through the customization options and you'll see different individual color choices available. These colors allow you to fine-tune specific elements of your chat appearance beyond just the preset themes. Simply click on any color that you prefer from the options shown. After selecting your desired color, click the Select button to apply it. This gives you even more control over personalizing your conversation's appearance to match your style or mood, and that's it. You've successfully changed both the theme and colors of your Facebook Messenger conversation, making your chats more visually appealing and personalized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.